talk about how can you add package on your my Shopify app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down and you click here on shipping and delivery here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video, you go down, so you keep going down here. When add package show for you here, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here add your package name, and here package type, and here length, and here weight, and here height, then weight optional. So then it's when you add all this, it's going to add video on your Shopify app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.